Hi, today I will show you a life-changing stitch. So instead of just chaining as a lot of crocheters usually do, so they'll chain the number of stitches that they need and then start crocheting into each stitch, we will do a foundation half double crochet. So first you chain 2, then do yarn over, insert hook in the first chain that you just made. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull just through the first loop. So this way you're forming a stitch and you will be then making a stitch under it. Then yarn over and pull through 3 stitches. So now yarn over and put your hook under this first V that you just made, and yarn over, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through just the first one, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and now pull through all 3. So here the chains are starting to form and you will be crocheting into this row. So we just did 2 and we will do 10 for the sample. So yarn over and put your hook right under the first V closest to you, pull through, yarn over and pull through just 1 loop, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, and again you put your hook right under this V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through just the first stitch, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and finish it. So you can count how many you did. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy to count. And it's a nice stretchy row. And when you crochet into it, your first row of the blanket, it just looks wonderfully uniform. So again, yarn over, hook under this closest to V, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through all 3, yarn over, under V, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first, pull through all 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more to go, yarn over, hook under the V, pull through, and make them nice and loose so then it's easier for you to insert your hook. Pull through the first one, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, hook under the V, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first, pull through all 3. Now you're getting the hang of it, and it's a very relaxing and nice way to start your blanket. Okay, so now we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 more. We're showing this foundation row for the blanket that needs multiples of 3 plus 1. So now we have 10. So it's very nice and stretchy fabric. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.